Okay, hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another Aibuild session. Today I'm joined by Danny, our head of partnerships, and we are catching up to talk all things AI agents. In this episode, Danny is going to walk us through the AI engineer again and show how he uses it across different scenarios, from real-world use cases to practical workflows you can actually apply. Danny, great to have you back. How are you doing today?
Thanks, Michael. I'm doing great. Always happy to be here, and I'm looking forward to showing off some of the things that the AI agent can do.
Awesome. So give us a quick preview. What are you going to be showing us today?
Sure, I'll try using it in a couple different scenarios, different way that this AI engineer can be used, both in terms of support, advice, and a few other things, and talk a little bit about how we intend to build it going forward into the future as well.